How to turn on or turn off show my connected time on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off show my connected time easy and fast. So first thing, go to Zoom app, and this is the home page as you can see. Now go down here, click on more option, and now click on the meeting option, the first one right here. And now you need to go down until you find the option of show my connected time. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want, easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.